recommend just testing your equipment.
Yep.
Just go back and forth and make sure everything is good to go. Just never know. Playing it safe. Alright guys, we're up in the Azusa Mountains, and there should be about 10 to 12 of us for this e-bike adventure today. Crystal's here with her BBS 02. I'm also here with my BBS 02 on the giant trans frame. But yeah, today should be a leisure ride, about 18 miles, and hopefully there's still waterfalls. I was here like last week with Martin, and I figured I'd take my wife here because she loves waterfalls and she loves bridges. Today's ride was posted in Meetup. There's about, again, 10 to 12 of us. Some of them are already over there. Flat already? Yikes. So we're gonna roll here past the bridge. Let's get it. We're a little bit behind. And again, some of the folks are already up there because they have an adventure pass. I don't. So I don't mind riding 1.8 miles. That's actually a nice shot. Alright. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Hopefully it stays that way, and hopefully there's again water streams. Alright, here we are. So it's kind of like a little walkthrough. Yeah. One at a time. Get through here. Walk your bike. Alright, going on upstream. We're no longer going to wait for people because pretty sure the other group went up ahead. Alright, more bridges. Getting close to, I think, the first waterfall. Very, very leisure ride. Very chill. We got some folks on the way. This is one of them.
Oh, the waterfall?
Yeah.
Quick break?
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna break. I got 5-minute break. You guys could take turns taking pictures, okay? Compress. Javier? Alright, let's rock and roll. I still think they're ahead of us. Because, if they were behind us, we would have seen them. What? Just stop when there's water, okay? You guys can go ahead, Cam. So if I remember correctly, there's about 2 other waterfalls. Just gonna steer the group for now. I think this is the one that was, I originally liked this when it was streaming. I guess it's not streaming too much today. I think that was it. Alright, we're gonna catch up again with Crystal. Because I guess maybe she's going way too fast. It's pretty much just like this the whole way. Nice and easy. That's a waterfall. It's a tiny waterfall. Probably not worth stopping at. To the middle. To your left. Crystal's not stopping at any of these spots. Hey you! You didn't like any of those waterfalls?
They're so small.
They're so small? So, This is a good one. This is the one you could really just touch. So we're gonna wait for our turn. This is a good one to take pictures at too. This is the closest you'll be to a waterfall today. All right. Just chilling here. Very cool. Very refreshing. You guys good?
Yeah.
You having fun? That will be $200.
Mark is having fun. I'm having fun.
Who? Mark?
What?
Are you having fun? Oh, it's $200 if you're having fun. You owe me $200. Fun costs money, man. That's a good trick. That'll be $200 for this excursion. You're having too much fun, Mark. No handing is $200 additional. It's an old hangout place, but there's an outhouse there if anyone needs it.
Oh.
1 minute break. All right. Carrying on here. To your right. Fly by. You want that? We'll get it on the way back. Hey, you're having too much fun. I'm the fun police. $100 for playing your speakers. That doesn't mean you drive on that side. It's still a road, you know. What? That's $50 for kicking, air kicking. So every time there's that or water, that means there's a waterfall. Okay? Don't give me those eyes. That's $200. Waterfall. Somewhere up there. Oh, I got splattered. So definitely have good fenders when you're up here. Cause, oh yeah, and definitely try to be here at spring, or maybe like a couple of days after it rained. At least that's what I recommend. And we've arrived at the campground area.
Hey,
What's up, Eddie?
made it. Hey,
You guys
already been up there, huh?
You guys went ahead of us, huh?
No, I think you went up that way already, right?
No.
Oh.
We just arrived.
Oh, you just got here. Oh,
Yeah.
So did we. We just pulled up. That's funny.
Oh.
Like 2 minutes. We actually hung out there back there for 5 minutes.
Is it just you guys? There's two more.
And then I think. Hey, so this is the group you wanted? Yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah, we were looking for you guys at the parking lot. We're like, oh, I think they went ahead. I'm just gonna.
We're trying to figure out where you left them.
Yeah. No, someone had a flat, so we were kind of backed up. What happened to the bear story? I mean, is that it?
Yeah, no, it's like the second night that we were there, he came for our bear locker. So me and that bear was like this close, me and that bike.
Wow. A big one?
Yeah. Like 350 pounds according to
Aggressive or?
the ranger. Nah, he was just going for food. He
Oh.
wasn't attacking people.
That's cool.
So you guys finally made it, huh?
Yeah. We took photos at the waterfalls. Thank God we finally connected. Because I don't have, no one has a reception, I don't think.
Well, the good thing is
Catering.
But you're not alone, because as soon as you put that motor in, it just adds so much more millimeters that definitely that chain ring is helpful. To offset it. It's good. It's all good now, right?
Yeah. I mean, it flags under love, but
Yeah. Yep. So it looks like it's still closed. So we're gonna turn around. That gate over there stops us from continuing any further. Let's go downhill. Here we go, here we go. There's August, who likes to do his own thing all the time. Where's Crystal? Man, Crystal went by this hill fast. Charles, how many ahead of you? Two. Mark and Crystal, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Stream. Ugh. They're the ones riding way too fast. Let's recapture the lead. No hands. We're gonna try to turn without no hands. Oh yeah, this bike. Let's get it. We're gonna see how long we could go downhill without no hands. Come on, bike. I feel like I'm falling off my seat, however. Okay, no more. I need my hands. Maybe I should put on my jacket too, so we're visible in the street. But we're pretty much good to go. This is going to be the last stop. Maybe one more at the bridge outside, maybe. But we'll see. We'll see how everyone feels. Bye-bye waterfalls. Bucket list checked. Let's roll. You guys good?
No, I think it's alright.
You guys okay?
Yeah, we're
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Yeah, I knew it. You good? 11 ducks are here. Jump it. No, you gotta jump it. How much fun are you having? Hold hands. All right, that's $300 for holding your hand and this tour. You have any suggestion? What about that sushi burrito? Oh, I like that place. In Azusa? You don't like that place? I heard you went to the Palm Desert ride. You recommend it? Yeah. Oh, what time did you guys get back home?
just about sunset.
Oh wow, you guys are there the whole day then. I heard you fell. Did your bike break or it's good still?
The brake lever bent.
Oh, okay.
I just captured that.
Got it. Okay. I didn't know how you guys get up that early though. Like, damn, 6 a.m. or whatever you guys had to get up to be there at 8. All right, guys. It's about 17 miles total, give or take, on our way back to the parking spot. That's going to be in today's e-bike adventure. No injuries whatsoever. Everyone had fun. If everyone continues to have fun, I'm going to have to start charging these excursions. Just kidding. That's going to be in today's fun leisure ride at Azusa Waterfalls. Thank you for tuning in. Like and subscribe for more content. Check out the useful links in the description below for discounts on the Super73 Aerial Rider or a DIY bafang kit. This is E-Bike Adventure signing out. See you guys in the next ride. Peace.